Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and ETH, and we're going to look at the general altcoin market cap. However, before we start, if you guys enjoying and learning from the contents, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it. Starting from a weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, there is not much change after this bear market managed to catch the bottom, as well as on the daily time frame trend change, and we saw decent dump over 375%. However, the levels that one has to be aware of on the higher time frame, as I said in the last video, this level, which is going to be between $58,000 and $56,000, and we saw 28% nearly pump across the board. However, on the higher time frame, as soon as we're going to lose this level, that it is slightly early for us at the moment to talk about it, and the next level you have to be aware of, it's going to be at around $49,000 and $50,000 is going to be very important, as well as this red line is extremely important level based on a time factor. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, that's a equal highs rejection. As you can see, that was an SFP, and then we started dumping on the lower time frame as expected, that we lost specific levels and we saw decent dump across the board. And at the moment, important level is going to be this daily, as well as this line that's going to be at around $64,500, $65,000. Once we're going to hold this level, this type of price action all the way, we might pump up to $69,000, but we have to do a further analysis on the lower time frame resistance levels. However, as I said, as long as we're above this line, we're safe. Otherwise, if we see this type of price action which is following at the moment, and this is extremely important level, losing this level might dump all the way up to this 62 and $61,000, $61,500. These levels are extremely important. However, bullish scenario, as long as we stay below this level, which is going to be 70,500, keep repeating 71,500, that will allow us to go a new all-time high. Otherwise, no need to expect such a price action at the moment, and you have to follow the trend. On the daily time frame, as I said, original trend started and we saw 300% pump. Second trend has been provided as soon as we broke $28,200 and $500, and that was 155%. Moving on to ETH analysis, not much change from the last few videos. As I said, from here we were expecting rejection, first target level and the second target level. So we reached the exact target levels that I'm going to show you. This is an update from the video that I made. That was, as you can see, around $4,000. As I also said, 4,000 and 4,050, without breaking this level, we're going to expect only to the downside. Target number 1 as well as the target 2. So this is the result, as you can see. As I said, these levels are extremely important, $4,000 and $4,050. Without seeing this type of price action, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. And as a result, that, as you can see, exactly from nearly $4,000, target number 1 and target number 2, both of the targets hit, and we saw decent profit across the board, over 12% dump in the market. And if you're doing a leverage, you did the max for yourself. So as soon as we had a breakout, that gave us 16% with a pullback from the video that I mentioned in the previous videos. That was another extra 12%, and a recent dump rejection from here, first target as well as the second, that was another 12%. So these are when the market is choppy, this is how you're going to play in the market. This is the condition of the market at the moment, because as you can see, in the last few weeks, we're in a choppy zone. So these are the 3-4 levels. However, as you can see, as soon as we had a trend change, we ride the trend all the way, 4,000 plus, we had 65% nearly profit. However, with the exit, that's going to be an exit because we had the trend change and we saw decent profit for the spot bag holders. If you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing to you, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. So based on a smart system as well, as you can see, primary system already bearish. As soon as we lost this level, straight away dump to the support box. However, I would like to follow this level. That's going to be at around, maybe we can come, as I said, 3,500. However, losing this level on the higher time frame, the next level is going to be all the way up to $3,100 and $3,050. As I said, it might be slightly early for us to talk about this type of price action. We can see if this level is going to hold, and then bullish scenario is going to be breaking this level, claim it as a support, then we go to further up. That's going to be the target levels are $4,000 and $4,100 and $4,200. However, as I said, it is slightly early for us to talk about the bullish scenario, and we have to keep an eye on at around here. If that's going to give a rejection, then as I said, losing this level, then you're going to follow the system. It's going to be target. Next target is going to be all the way up to in this box. Moving on to total 3, where you're going to exclude BTC and Ethereum market cap, you will get total market cap for the rest of the altcoins. So in the previous videos that we're talking about mid of May, that I gave you this level, as well as I said, without seeing this, it is going to be early for us to talk for our alt shopping and continuation to the upside for the altcoins, and then as well as support level and also holding. You can see that's another system that I'm following on the higher time frame, perfectly rejected. But the other one, as you can see, exact from the resistance, we got a rejection. This level I use for the weekly time frame and above. However, this level, as you can see, smart money line is holding at the moment. As I said, these levels are extremely important. Without breaking this level or this level, you will get chopped up. And still, I'm holding the same bias. This give us a bullish setup. However, this one will give us cheaper altcoins. And if we're going to see this type of price action, target 1 all the way up to here, and then we're going to get stuck at around here, you can expect 565, 545 billion market cap, and we will do further analysis from there on. So these are the important levels. As I said, you can see that's from previous analysis. You have to be slightly patient in terms of altcoins. BTC on the lower time frame, as expected, rejection below the important level of the system. As you can see, I also updated via Twitter as well, rejection below this level, and we're coming to the support. Secondary system, which is slightly higher time frame. As I said, this is for the conservative players. If we're going to lose this level, target 1, all the way we can dump onto this daily, which is going to be target 1. So as you can see, following the system, rejection from here, we saw massive dump across the board, and this was another around 7-8% dump if you're trading. So the bullish scenario at this stage, without breaking, as I said, 71,000 and 71.5, it is early for us to talk about new all-time high. If that happens, as I said, the levels are still the same. Target number 1, target 2, all the way up to $77,000 and $78,000 are going to be targets, which is a higher time frame Fibonacci that I showed in the previous videos. However, at the moment, we are 4-hour as well as 2 and 1 hour time frames are underwater, and therefore we have to see if we're going to start pumping. Rejection is likely, otherwise break above and then to the upside, those levels I gave. Otherwise, if that's going to get rejection and the target levels is going to be 65,000 all the way up to this daily is going to be extremely important, and we can clear this liquidity level as well. If we're going to break this level, as I said, $61,000 and $60,000 is going to be where you can see weekly as well as the monthly. Those levels, 61.5 and $60,000 are going to be the next target levels. So play level to level. Trend currently favoring to the downside, and we came to an end of this episode. Play level to level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.